Chapter 13. Real Saturn Return Stories. True Tales of Transformation, Challenge, and Growth. Saturn return is more than an astrological concept. It's a profound life transition that many experience. Let's explore some real stories that illustrate the impact of this cosmic rite of passage. Story 1. Jaime's journey to find home. Saturn in Capricorn, 4th house. Jaime, an astrologer, thought she had it all figured out. She landed a dream job, moved back to her hometown, and bought a house with her husband. But as Saturn returned, she felt an unexpected restlessness. Despite achieving her goals, something was missing. She realized that her pursuit of success had led her away from her true self. Eventually, she left her job, ended her marriage, and embarked on a journey to rediscover her identity. Jaime's Saturn return taught her that true fulfillment comes from aligning with one's authentic path. Story 2. Breaking free from religious trauma. Saturn in Scorpio, 4th house. Evolusolulu shared on Reddit how her Saturn return marked a period of intense upheaval. She lost her entire family support system due to religious abuse. The process was painful and isolating, but it ultimately led her to freedom. She rebuilt her life on her own terms, finding strength and resilience she didn't know she had. Her Saturn return was a catalyst for breaking generational cycles and embracing personal sovereignty. Story 3. From addiction to stability. Saturn in Sagittarius, 2nd house. Reddit user Carrot36 described a transformative Saturn return. Got off meth, got a job, bought a house. This succinct statement encapsulates a profound journey from addiction to stability. Saturn's influence helped him establish a solid foundation, emphasizing the planet's role in fostering discipline and long-term growth. Story 4. Love across continents. Saturn in the 7th house. Astrologer Kelly Surtees recounted how her Saturn return led her to a whirlwind romance. After meeting Peter in Denver, they embarked on a series of international dates, eventually moving in together in Canada. Her Saturn return involved leaving her home country, starting a new relationship, and building a life abroad. It was a period of significant change that brought lasting happiness. Story 5. Billy Corgan's emotional reckoning. Saturn in Cancer, 12th house. Smashing Pumpkins frontman. Billy Corgan experienced a tumultuous Saturn return. During this period, he faced the death of his mother and a divorce. He described it as a time of psychic death, forcing him to confront deep emotional wounds. Corgan emphasized the importance of embracing Saturn's challenges to emerge stronger and more authentic. Final reflection. These stories highlight the diverse experiences of Saturn returns. Whether it's redefining personal identity, overcoming adversity, or embracing new beginnings, Saturn's influence is profound and transformative. Remember, while the journey may be challenging, it often leads to growth, resilience, and a deeper understanding of oneself.